Hello students, today I will be starting with question number 1 of exercise 13.2. Now question number 1 says using laws of exponent simplify and write the answer in exponential form. Means you will have to write the numbers in power form. Okay. Now here we have 3 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 4 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 8, in which we have same bases. And according to the law, if the base are same, like here if I take am multiplied by an, okay, in which we have same bases, then and in between multiply sign is there, then powers will be added. So how to write this? A to the power m plus n. Okay, so here we have same bases, so we'll write, see, if we have same bases, then we will write the base at first. So we'll write 3 and then powers will be added. So 2 plus 4 plus 8. How much? 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 8 14. So 2 plus 4 plus 8. Okay, so it will be 3 raised to the power 14. Okay, now coming to next part. Now in the next part we have 6 raised to the power 15 divided by 6 raised to the power 10. Now when we have same base, okay, suppose a to the power m and a to the power n, in which we have same base and in between divide sign is there, then powers will be subtracted. Okay, so we'll write the base at first. We'll write 16 here, as 16 is the base, and powers will be subtracted. So 15 minus 10. So what will be? 16 is raised to the power 5, because 15 minus 10 is 5. Now coming to third part. Now in the third part we have again same base. So when we have same base, okay, when we have same base and in between multiply sign is there, then powers will be added. Okay, so we'll write the base at first and then powers will be added. So it will be 3 plus 2. So it will be a raised to the power 5. Now coming to fourth part. In the fourth part we have same base again. So when you have same base, suppose a to the power m multiplied by a to the power n, and in between multiply sign is there, then powers will be added. So a raised to the power m plus n. So here also base is same, so we will have to write the base at first. See here how I have written this. So we will have to write the base and then powers will be added. So it will be x plus 2. Now as these are not like terms, so it will remain like this. Okay, so this was the answer of fourth part. Okay.